Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I made all the menu items from Lola's Bistro. The restaurant's busy today. Everything looks delicious. Welcome to Lola's Bistro. Can I take your order? You sure can. I would like the linguine alfredo and meatballs, please. Ooh, that sounds yummy. But I think today I'm feeling more like a hamburger. You don't look like a hamburger. That's funny. I'll have the deluxe hamburger and french fries, please. Welcome to Lola's Bistro. Can I take your order?
Thank you. Yes, I would like the grilled steak with Lola sauce and french fries.
Great, and for you? I think I'd like to try the grilled sausage on the bed of herbed rice. Does it come with pillows? Welcome to Lola's Bistro. Can I take your order? Yep, I would just like the fresh tomato and green bean salad, please.
And I'll have the steak burger with Lola's secret sauce.
This diet is killing me. Welcome to Lola's Bistro. Can I take your order?
Yes, I would like the grilled steak and meatballs with green beans. And I would like to try the grilled steak with white sauce and salad.
Thought you'd be the one for me. Won't you tell me how you feel? I share